Hello, my name is Vikram Vishal, the CEO of Urja Novac, a clean energy and net zero solutions company. I'm also a professor in the Department of Earth Sciences and convener of the DST National Center of Excellence in CCUS at IIT Bombay. My specialization spans carbon dioxide capture, utilization and sequestration alongside other CDR or carbon dioxide removal technologies and unconventional hydrocarbon geomechanics linked with the enhanced oil and gas recovery.
Hello, my name is Arnab Datta. I am the co-founder and director and also the CTO of our company Urja Novac. And at the same time, I am also a faculty member in the Department of Chemistry at IIT Bombay. I specialize in designing biosphere catalysts for CO2 mitigation and green hydrogen generation. Driven by our shared passion for revolutionizing the clean energy sector, we founded Urja Novac.
And I have collaborated for many years with our research groups committed to advancing sustainable solutions through circular economic processes for a greener future. One of our joint projects focused on creating efficient carbon dioxide capture technology, which inspired us to establish Urja Novac.
At Urja Novac, our mission is to decarbonize hard-to-abate sectors through cutting-edge, scalable technologies that accelerate the clean energy transition. Our vision is to enable industries to achieve net zero with transformative carbon management solutions that drive sustainable growth and a cleaner future.
Our planet is heating up, industries are under pressure, and carbon emissions keep rising. The world urgently needs a breakthrough. Urja Novac's patented technology offers a cost-effective, energy-efficient, and sustainable way to capture CO2 from flue gases or ambient air, converting it into valuable carbonates. Here's how it works. First, flue gas enters our catalyst chamber. Second, our dual-function system captures and converts CO2 in the same unit. Finally, with the help of specific ions, CO2 is transformed into stable carbonate salts. Our process is scalable and efficient. It uses seawater or wastewater with earth-abundant catalysts, captures up to 15% more CO2, removes SOx and NOx, converts CO2 into valuable products, runs under mild conditions, and needs no proprietary equipment. This isn't just an idea. It's happening in our labs every day. Our scientists test samples, refine catalysts, and improve the chemistry, supported by our passionate, dedicated team. The innovation goes beyond the lab. Our machine captures CO2 efficiently and produces stable carbonate salts, a proven system turning emissions into valuable materials. Behind this innovation are our co-founders, visionary leaders with deep expertise in chemistry, engineering, and scaling sustainable technologies. Their credibility ensures Urja Novac is built not just on science, but on execution and impact. Our impact is being recognized worldwide. Urja Novac has received prestigious awards for innovation in carbon capture and utilization. These honors validate our approach and inspire us to scale faster for even greater impact.